What's going on, guys? So we had a crazy day with those CPI data numbers that came out. Initially, to start today, we kind of had a little bit of a spike, and then, we went flat for, a good portion of the day. And then really when Jerome Powell started to speak, and shortly after that, the market took a very nasty turn. Now, did he say anything new that we did not already know? No, but again, it's the end of the year here. I really wouldn't try to be forcing a lot of trades, the last couple of weeks. Try to enjoy your family, enjoy the time off. If you get a setup, fine. If you don't, we've always got next year. We're going to be taking a look at Netflix. My name is D. Anthony with EvolutionTraders.com. Now, I kind of want to go back just a couple of months here. Realistically, ever since we kind of came out of this long distribution here, we were in a distribution for quite some time here, going back to August all the way into October. And then we had this nice gap up higher on Netflix to reach these initial highs of 305.67, followed by a back test of this breakout. Anytime we break out, always look for the back test. And if that back test holds, which did hold at the 50 EMA as well as the 50 SMA, and then look for that kind of second confirmation to go ahead and take that long again. As we did break out here again, put in a new high closer to around 313, back tested once again, and then our recent highs here of 333. Now, what I want you guys to kind of look at here, again, don't try to force the trade. If it comes, it comes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But one thing that I do kind of want you guys to look at, we are riding the 20-day moving average here. So we have not broken down below the 20-day moving average, going all the way back to when we reclaimed it on November the 30th. So pretty much for the last 2 weeks, we've been riding higher at any given point over the 5, 10, and 20-day moving average. But what I want you guys to look at here is if we do start to lose this 10-day moving average, which is sitting at today's low price of around 313.5, let's call it that. Anything below 313.5, I will get short on Netflix. I'm going to look to get short on Netflix underneath today's lows, and then at my price target profit potential is 303. That does not mean that we're going to go down 10 points, but what I want you guys to kind of see here, and if I make this bigger, you can see we've got a lot of room here underneath this 10-day moving average. So if we start to give up today's lows, this is a short position that I'm going to want to take advantage of. Now, we really don't have a long position until we get back over 332. Again, yes, will there be an opportunity to kind of scalp, maybe ride the consistent trend another 10-15 points to the long side? Yes, but what we're going to need to see is at least a green day close. We can't just be thinking long on a red day close here. Now, we are still holding this 5 and 10-day moving average. We could quickly dip below bulls trap shorts, go red to green on the day, but then we're going to have to go look at the smaller time frames to kind of see those, sneaky little channels that we can take advantage of. From the macro overview, what I'm looking at here, big picture, is the short position underneath today's lows. That's going to be 315, 314, somewhere in that area. If we start to give up and violate this 10-day moving average, I'm going to look to get short here. Again, if we're going to go long, again, you guys want to follow the Discord because I'm throwing out levels intraday, things that I'm looking at as things start to progress. But again, guys, take your foot off the gas here. There's no need to press. Just kind of wait for those setups to come to you. If you catch one, you catch one. If you don't, you don't. But this setup looks very good to the short side. Hope you guys are all following along with me. Again, my name is D. Anthony with EvolutionTraders.com. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys all on the next video.